Hello, this is a demo for the uSDX which I am using with the WA2EBY HF amp. Now I had a lot of problems while using this uSDX with WA2EBY amp. Well, I destroyed a lot of MOSFETs just because the integration was not proper, and it took me a lot of time and effort to try to drive this amp. The amp is using very less power. It's giving around the uSDX is giving around a watt or less than a watt. I did this purposely to keep the output low, because if I give more than a watt or 2 watt to 3 watts, then the problem arises that the gate goes QRT. The WA2EBY using IRF 510 goes QRT. So I had to take extra precautions in seeing that the output from uSDX was not much so that it could not easily destroy the MOSFET. So I kept it under 1 watt. So I am also using an attenuator in the HF amp. So with the attenuator, still the power is decreasing. So what I presume that this HF amp is getting less than a watt, less than half watt. Still it's putting around 25 to 30 watts. So I'll give you a demo and show you how that is possible. So first, in the basic form, I'll show you how much this uSDX is how much power the uSDX is giving. So it is in 5 watts range. This SX200 is in 5 watts range, and I could see the needle moving to 0.5. So I'm getting around half watt of power, only half watt of power, and that is going to decrease again to half when I give it to this WA2EBY amp, which is having a attenuator inbuilt. So I'll switch on the HF amp. Now I will see how much power I'm getting. So it's crossed 5 watts. I'll go to 20 watts. It's crossed 20 watts. I'll go to 200 watts. So it is giving around 25 watts. I presume it's giving around 25 watts with a drive of less than half watt. With a drive of less than half watt, I'm getting 25 watts on 7 megahertz. So this is it. I'll just modulate 3 to 4 times more to show that that the output is constant. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Victor Uniform 3 Sugar Uniform Alpha. This is Victor Uniform 3 Sugar Uniform Alpha. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Victor Uniform 3 Sugar Uniform Alpha. Victor Uniform number 3 Sugar Uniform Alpha. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ.